The pillar drill consists of a chuck designed to take straight shank drill bits. The drill bit and chuck follow the line of the pillar, which is perpendicular to the table when the table is set at 0 degrees. This allows the machine to drill very accurate holes. Select the required drill bit for the hole. Open the jaws of the drill chuck, enough to fit the required bit. Push the bit into the chuck. Secure the bit in place by tightening the jaws with the chuck key. Place a sacrifice board onto the table. Mark the centre of the desired hole with a bradawl, creating an indent for your drill bit to centre on. Setting the table height. Loosen the table height lock. Rotate the table height adjustment handle until the table is at the required height. Retighten the table height lock. Make sure the sacrifice board is free of holes in the area you wish to drill into to prevent breakout when you drill your object. With your object on the sacrifice board, line up the drill bit with the bradawl indent by turning the feed handle anti-clockwise. Switch on at the isolation switch. Switch on the task light at the isolation switch. With the drill bit centered, hold down the object. Switch on the drill with the green button. Turn the feed handle anti-clockwise to lower the spindle towards the workpiece. Once the operation is complete, guide the feed handle clockwise to raise the spindle. Switch off the drill with the red button. Check your work for crispness. To drill a blind hole where the drill bit does not come all the way through. To set the depth of the hole, adjust the depth stop as follows. Depth stop lock by turning in an anti-clockwise direction. Rotate depth scale to the desired depth, then tighten half wing bolt. The feed handle will now stop when it reaches the desired depth. Line up the drill bit using the feed handle. Switch on the drill with the green button. Drill to the required depth using the feed handle. The feed handle will not go past the stop. Switch off the machine with the red button. Check your work for crispness. Drilling a hole at an angle. Setting the table angle. The table angle can be adjusted by loosening the table angle lock located underneath the table. Rotate the table to the desired angle. Retighten the angle lock. Line up the drill bit with the bradawl indent by turning the feed handle anti-clockwise. With the drill bit centered, hold down the object, switch on the drill, turning the feed handle anti-clockwise, drill out the hole. Switch off the drill with the red button. Check your work for crispness. Drilling small or awkward shaped objects using a drill press vise. To open the jaws of the drill chuck, fit the chuck key into the chuck and turn it anti-clockwise. Push the bit into the chuck, Secure the bit in place by tightening the jaws with the chuck key in a clockwise direction. Fit the object into the drill press vise. Tighten with the handle. Raise or lower the table to the correct height. Retighten the table height lock. Position the guard. Switch on with the green button. Turning the feed handle towards you, drill out the object. Switch off with the red button. Remove from the drill press vise. Check your work. With your object marked out from the template and 2 indents from a bradawl indicating the centre of the holes, select the drill bit you require and fit into the chuck. Tighten with the chuck key. Lower the guard. Raise or lower the table. Retighten the table height lock. Check sacrifice board is clean and clear of damage. Switch on with the green button. Turning the feed handle in an anti-clockwise direction, drill out the first hole. Reposition the object. Make sure you're over a clean area of the sacrifice board. Drill out the second hole. Check your work for crispness. Before making any changes or adjustments, ensure that the drill is turned off. Open the pulley cover. Release the belt tension locks located on either side of the main housing. Once the tension is released, the belt tension handle can be used to move the motor pulley closer to the idler pulley. The belt is removed by lifting it over the lip of the pulley while rotating the pulley simultaneously. Remove both belts. Select the speed configuration. After readjusting the belts, use the belt tension handle to move the motor pulley further away from the idler pulley. When the desired position is achieved, use the belt tension locks to secure the pulleys in place. Proper belt tension is achieved when the measured deflection by pushing in the centre of the belt is approximately 1/2 inch. Close the pulley cover.